and good morning to all my teachers, principal madam, and all my friends. Today, on the occasion of Father's Day, on the third Sunday of June, we would like to present you our special assembly. I hope you all enjoy. A father is often the first hero in a child's life, a role model who leads by an example. He works tirelessly to support, guide, and educate his family. To honor his dedication, Father's Day is celebrated worldwide on third Sunday of June, offering a moment to express his gratitude and respect for his constant presence and sacrifice.
Father's Day celebration started from June 19, 1910. It is celebrated to recognize the dedication and sacrifices of fathers which are often overlooked in favor of mothers. Going forward, I would like to call Miss Asmi Zope from grade 9th Alpha to present a poem which is dedicated to our fathers.
The silent anchor. He never asked for praise or gold, just held my hand when nights were cold. He bore the weight of dreams not his, so I could chase the world and live. I saw him cry just once or twice, a quiet storm behind his eyes. He hides his pain behind a smile and walks alone that extra mile. He missed his sleep so I could rest. He stayed behind to give his best. And though he fades in the world's eyes, to me he's strong, to me he's wise. When words fell short, his silence spoke. In every laugh, in every joke. His shadow walks beside me still, a quiet love that time can't kill. So if I rise, it's from his light that stayed with me through every night. A father's love, so deep, so wide, a river that will never dry. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Asmi, for expressing such a heartfelt emotion through your words. The people we admire most are often those who shape our lives quietly and consistently, like fathers. From the earliest days of childhood, fathers play a vital role in guiding, supporting, and nurturing their children. While mothers often manage many household responsibilities, fathers too stand as pillars of strength, offering encouragement, sharing wisdom, and celebrating every small success of their children with pride.
Fathers are often humble, patient, and quietly wise. They correct mistakes with gentle and guidance and lead by example. Even while managing work and responsibilities, many fathers stay deeply involved in their families' lives, always making time for their children. They are often on the steady pillars we lean on the times of difficulty.
Now, I would like to invite Arya and Hasib to come forward and express their thoughts to us in the form of words.
वडील, बाबा, अप्पा, अण्णा, दादा, काका, अब्बा, पप्पा ते अगदी आताच्या ए बाबापर्यंत. संबोधन काहीही असले तरी त्यामागे असते ते आमचे खूप प्रेम, माया, आपुलकी आणि आदरयुक्त भीती. मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव असे आपल्या भारतीय संस्कृतीत म्हटले जाते. आई वडील दोन्हीही आपल्या आयुष्यात तितकेच महत्त्वाचे असतात. आई आपले सर्वस्व असते. आईकडे अश्रूंचे पाठ असतात. ती रडून मोकळी होते, पण सांत्वन वडिलांनाच करावे लागते. आणि रडणाऱ्यापेक्षा सांत्वन करण्यावरच जास्त ताण असतो, कारण ज्योतीपेक्षा समय जास्त तापत असते. आणि श्रेय मात्र ज्योत घेऊन जाते. रोजच्या जेवणाची सोय करणारी आई आपल्या लक्षात राहते, पण आयुष्याच्या शिदोरीची सोय करणारा बाप आपण किती सहज विसरून जातो. चटका बसला, ठेच लागली, फटका बसला तर तोंडातून आपसुकच आई हा शब्द बाहेर पडतो. पण नुकतीच घडलेली दुर्दैवी अशी अहमदाबाद विमान दुर्घटना असो किंवा पहलगाम हल्ला सारखे अतिरेकी हल्ले असो, अशा वेळी आपण बाप रे असेच म्हणतो. म्हणजेच मोठी मोठी वादळे पेलताना आपल्याला हिमालयासारखा बापच आठवतो. आई घराचे मांगल्य असते तर वडील घराचे अस्तित्व असतात. पण वडिलांबद्दल फारसे लिखाण झालेले दिसत नाही. काही प्रमाणात लोकांनी वडील रेखाटले, तेही तापट, व्यसनी, चिडखोर, भांडखोर असे वडील असतीलही 1 ते 2%. पण बाकीच्या चांगल्या वडिलांबद्दल काय? त्यामुळेच आमचे लाड करणाऱ्या, आम्हाला काय हवं नको पाहणाऱ्या आणि आम्हाला अगदी तळ हाताच्या फोडाप्रमाणे जपणाऱ्या आमच्या वडिलांप्रती आपले प्रेम व्यक्त करणारा हा दिवस. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, everyone. A father plays many roles in child's life. He is a protector, always keeping his family safe. He is a provider, always working tirelessly to fulfill our needs and dreams. He is a teacher, showing us right from wrong through his actions and values. Sometimes he is strict, but it's only because he wants us to grow strong, wise, and independent. Whether it's helping with homework, teaching us how to ride a bicycle, or simply being there when the life gets tough, a father's presence is a powerful influence that shapes who we become. I want to take a moment to thank all the fathers and father figures who shape our lives daily. They are the silent supporters, firm believers, and the constant providers. They are the ones who wipe away our tears, lend a listening ear, and offer a shoulder to lean on. They keep teaching us valuable life lessons and inspiring us to reach for the stars. In conclusion, Father's Day is a wonderful opportunity to express our gratitude and appreciation for the important role fathers play in our lives, celebrating their love, dedication, and hard work. It's a time to acknowledge the sacrifices they make and the guidance they provide, reminding us of enduring impact of fatherhood. Thank you.
Thank you, Arya and Hasim, for presenting this mesmerizing speech. Father's Day reminds us to appreciate and express gratitude for fathers who selflessly support their families. While love and gifts are exchanged on his day, it's also time to reflect on the invaluable contributions throughout the year.
And now, to celebrate the love and strength of fathers everywhere, we invite our talented singers to come forward and perform a special song dedicated to all the amazing fathers. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
Presenting these astonishing songs.
Now I would like to invite Arnav Salunke from grade 4 Ekam to Arav Salunke from grade 4 Ekam to present a melody in front of us.
for this wonderful melody.
Now, I would warmly invite our respected Principal Ma'am to the stage. We are grateful for her presence and would be honored to hear a few words from her.
Good morning, everyone. So today is the first special assembly, isn't it? Where we have all gathered, and it's like a house full today. There's only little space to sit. So what does that mean? Our family has grown, isn't it? Yes. So, and as you know, we are also here celebrating Father's Day, which will be celebrated tomorrow on the 3rd June of Sunday. Yes, I completely agree with whatever our such nice anchors Karthik and Ruhan have shared, or the poem which was written, composed and shared by Asmi. Very well expressed what Arya and Hasib said, the song which you beautifully presented. So yes, and I think the young ones will agree with me that Santa Claus comes to our house only once a year during Christmas. But your father is that Santa in your house, which will every day meet your demands, and whatever you speak, they get it done for you, isn't it? Your parents always fulfill your wishes. Yes or no? Yes. They bring you gifts, get chocolates and ice creams for you, new clothes, toys, isn't it? How many of you got new bags this year? Wow, good. It's so much of excitement, to bring new bags to school every new academic session. Yes. Keep your hands down. So then take care of the bags also. Okay, and yes, father, if I have to say something about father and about the family, it also starts from, the grandparents which are in your house, your grandfather, grandmother, and definitely fathers do make a lot of sacrifices. But children, now as we are coming into the 21st century, the society is evolving, a lot of changes are happening, isn't it, in our families also. So now the family, now the mother, father, the roles which are played are more gender neutral. What does it mean? Earlier it was said that mummy घर में खाना बनाती है और पापा job करते हैं, business करते हैं. Is it same today? No, even your mothers go on jobs, isn't it? And how many of you, your fathers are good cook? They make dishes for you on Sunday? Even mine was. Yes, so now, and the best chefs nowadays are male. The best fashion designers are male. So I think that is one thing which we all need to accept, that the role of father and mother is all divided equally amongst the family now, isn't it? And children also, at times it's very good to have a very happy family which has parents, grandparents, children. But at times there are some unforeseen circumstances, unforeseen situations in the house where we are raised by single parent, isn't it? It may be a father, it may be a mother. But in that case, what happens? The other person takes both the role, isn't it? Mother becomes father and takes care of all the things you have. At times, the fathers are working very far away in foreign land. They are working overseas. Then also mother takes both the roles, isn't it? Or sometimes due to the untimely demise of any one of them, the family is left, or there could be any other family situation also. So in that case, we need to take care of people whom we come across which have such things, and we should never make fun of them. We should never gossip about such things either in class or in school, and we must treat them normally. Okay, so we have to be very sensitive towards such things also if we come across such things in life. But otherwise, the teacher, the Didi Dadas who are here, Dada especially, your facilitators who are male in school, everybody is a fatherly figure, or they're like elder brother. Sometimes even the elder brother of a family takes the role of a father in the father's absence. Isn't it so? That's the beauty of human relationship. And we must celebrate it, we must value them, we must respect them, not on any one particular day, but on every day. Indian tradition, we have, we are leaving our tradition behind, but earlier, long back, whenever children used to get up, they used to touch the feet of their parents in the morning. So now we are going far away from such traditions, but at least we can show respect to them. We should not back answer them. Isn't it? We should not take them for granted. We should, whatever they are working hard for the family, no, we should have a friendly relationship also with parents, but we should never cross that boundary of respect. And we should not feel happy about back answering our parents or grandparents and disrespecting them. So these are little things which we can all take care of. But wish you a very happy day ahead. That's what I just wanted to convey on this special day, and have a great weekend also. Thank you so much.
Before we continue, we all live in a country, India, and it is said in India that every day is a Mother's Day and a Father's Day. But now we all are so busy in our social life that we forget to spend time with our family. And on these days, we only to post in social media, we click photos and all. But I would request you all to spend a little more time with our fathers, mothers, and all of our family members, so we can make our memories better.
Now, to conclude this wonderful celebration, I invite Harshal Sawant to deliver the vote of thanks and express our gratitude to everyone who has made this event special.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, everybody is looking little bit emotional. So let's conclude this assembly on a happy note. So I just want to say that a big thank you to everyone who helped make this assembly special. First, thank you to our principal ma'am and Zeba ma'am for giving the chance to perform on stage. It really means a lot to us. We were excited and had a feeling of trying something new, because we got to know that we have to perform assembly today. That we were informed yesterday that we have to do assembly today. So but still we gave our best. So just because of our supporting and enthusiastic HR team, Miss Mayuri ma'am, we hope that we made her feel proud. A big thank you to our co-curricular teachers, Janet sir and Anil sir, for helping us for 11th hour preparation. And of course, thank you to all my classmates who worked hard, whether you were performing or arranging things, handling music. Thank you so much. You all made the assembly go successful. And thank you everyone for listening to us. Thank you.